Olubadan and Ooni of Ife, they will fight. Olubadan and Ooni will fight. Power tussle.
Yorùbá ló ní lákàlákà ò ṣe fi làjà, ìjà kì í dúró bí ó bá rọ̀. Wọ́n ní bí ó bá dúró sí kòtò, a sì tún dúró sí gegele. Àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ míì eléyìí tí Primate Ayodele tí wọ́n tún fi síta rèé o. Wọ́n ní àwọn rí Ọọ̀ni Ilé Ifẹ̀ àti Olubadan tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í jà. Wọ́n ní ìjà ipò agbára lílépa èmi jù ọ́ ìwọ jù mí. Kí ló fẹ́ fa èyí ná? Ìyẹn ni ìbéèrè. Ọlọ́run kó má jẹ́ á tún rí rúgúdù láàrin àwọn ọba aládé wa eléyìí tí a ti ń wò gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwòkọ́ṣe wa o. Ọ̀pọ̀ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ àti ìran ni wọ́n mọ̀ tún rí. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ o nínú fídíò yìí.
They are at the boundary of Lagos State. They have not entered Lagos State. They are just coming in, go back, go in, go back. But shortly, they will attack Jeba, Mokola in Ibadan. Yes. Borno, Kaduna, Kogi, Yagba. These are the places they will attack. They will attack Benue again, Jos, Taraba State, Nasarawa, Adamawa, Niger, Kwara, Sokoto. They are close to Sokoto now. They can do and undo in Sokoto. Explosion can come out in Sokoto. They just want to use this to cause confusion. Then why is it that this government is even embracing them? If you jail them like 50 years, 40 years, it will come down. Or you shoot them. But it seems that the service, if they don't know what they are saying, they don't know what they are doing, are they even competent? Did they listen? Did they take the step of God? Yes. If they have taken the step of God, things will have come down. But they can win with technology. Let's wait and see. Insecurity will seize Tinubu's government, and it may affect his second term. We have talked about economy. We've talked about insecurity. We talk about power. And these are important things. I told you, I said, when you vote a government that is coming that time, I said you will buy diesel for 2,000 naira. You will buy petrol for 1,005. I told you that time. Eh? Has it not come to pass? Everything has come to pass since 2022. I will tell you soon, if you vote for ADC, this is what will happen. If you vote for APC, this is what will happen. I will tell you. Yes, this is what will happen if we do this. This is what will happen if we do this. That's what we call a prophet. Hate me if you want to hate me. Then let me tell you the truth. Arena want to go on fire again. Arena. And Ladipo. Let them watch. Then Alaba, let them watch against armed attack. We have a good CP in Lagos State. Lagos State CP is a good man. God-fearing person. Yes, God-fearing person. Let him just watch all of these places. We always pray for Lagos State protection and Nigeria at large. APC, if you want to do something reasonable in Lagos State, Amzat is a good person. It's better than Ambode. Ambode time has gone. Those of you who want to use it to cause fight, you are just wasting your time. You know your party now. Then not every state that concessions will work. Oh. If APC try concession in some states, they will just leave APC to another party. Let the concession be in this your Lagos and Southwest alone. If you take to north, to east, to this, they will fight you dirty. Olubadan and Ooni of Ife, they will fight. Olubadan and Ooni will fight. Power tussle is coming. Ní ìdàkejì.
Seventhly,
Ò ní rí àdánù.
will not suffer loss. Amen.
Mo ní ò ní rí àdánù.
Will not experience loss. laws. Amen.
See, if Emefiele know his way, they can't jail him. They can't jail him. They can't jail him. If you know his way, they can't jail him. That's what I wish. That's what Lord said. HOS, head of service, federal head of service. Watch your office. Something is happening in your office that may make people to watch that office. Leakages in your office. Watch. Do the right thing. Do auditing in your office. It's a good advice, right?
So then I
Talon, you and your new president will fight. Oh, a lot of things will be exposed. Don't allow that fight to. Talon, when you start the fight, you can't win. Two of you should have agreement now. Meanwhile, you say, so no, don't listen. I don't say you should listen, but time will tell. Don't fight you. Someone who don't let them push you to fight in Umbu. If you try it, you'll be broken to pieces like this. Just obey the last order. Togolese president will become a live president in Togo. Live president. That is the next plan. And when he becomes the live president, a big wahala will just erupt. By the time he knows it, the wahala will take over. Let him watch very well. Mali, they want to truncate your government. Mali, coup is about to happen in Mali. Mali. But they were about the coup. It won't work.
Again.
Anyone of I see hijackers in South Sudan. The government must watch on this. APC, don't allow interim government to. If there's interim government today, bam, it will be headed by Jonathan. If you allow interim government today, international committee will be involved. So let there be peace in this coming election. Peace. And the INEC chairman, there's nothing we announced they will take. They have seen him as a traitor. They don't want to hear anything from him. And they are going to fight the man spiritually. When I say spiritually, that it will even affect the family. So he needs to watch very well.
ọjọ́ pẹ́ tí ọ̀pọ̀ ti ń wọ́nà àbájọ láti fi wo onírúurú àìsàn tó ń bá wọn fínra. àwọn tó ti gbọ́n pa àwòsàn nílànà àjogúnbá àwọn bàbá wa láti áfíríkà nílànà ìgbàlódé mọ̀ pé kò sẹ́gbẹ́. Renix Reshape Limited ló ń ṣe gbogbo ọmọ aráyé lóore lọ́nà akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ àti nípa títẹ̀lé ohun tí àyẹ̀wò ara bá gbé síta. ewé àti egbò apps ni wọ́n fi ń ṣètọ́jú ẹ̀dá. àwọn tó ti ń lo ògùn wọn ń dúpẹ́. ìjọba àjàn ló ń tẹ̀. wọ́n wà ní Nàìjíríà àtòkè òkun. ìdákọ́lẹ̀ jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí nǹkan oṣù tó ń ṣe ségesège ìtọ̀ ṣúgà àrùn kòkòrò lóríṣiríṣi ọgbẹ́ ẹnu kí ẹnu ó máa rùn lóòrèkóòrè àtọ̀ tí ò lè dánmọ́ ìtọ́jú ojú ara obìnrin tó ń rùn kójú ó máa wò bàìbàì àti ìtọ́jú àìsàn lóríṣiríṣi wọ́n tún ń ṣe ohun mímu mọ́dùnjọ́ herbal drinks mọ́dùnjọ́ coffee drinks mọ́dùnjọ́ big boys gbogbo ẹ̀ fún ìtọ́jú ni ẹ tún lè lò níbi ayẹyẹ yín tàbí kí ẹ tún jẹ́ alágbàtà pabambari ẹ tún lè ṣe àyẹ̀wò lórí ayé yín àtohunkóhun tó ń ru yín lójú Renix Reshape Limited ń ṣe ọmọ aráyé lóore àdírẹ́sì àti nọ́mbà lẹ́wọ̀n lójú amóhùnmáwòrán yìí Renix Reshape Limited ó ń ṣe ọmọ aráyé lóore nípasẹ̀ ewé àtegbò.
alálà ni èmi ọmọ yín èèyàn yín náà rẹ o mo ti dé pẹ̀lú orin tuntun torí pé dídé báyìí ní teko alẹ́ bíbọ̀ ní tèrò ọ̀dàn dídé kì í pọjọ́ bíbọ̀ kì í poṣù mo dé pẹ̀lú orin àgbọ́kọ́gbọ́n orin àgbọ́dùn orin àgbọ́jó àkọlé orin eléyìí ńlá pè ní ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ ó ti jáde báyìí ó ń bẹ lórí gbogbo ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ẹ bá ń lọ sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tẹ bá ń lò ẹ bá ń tẹ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ sí ojú rẹ̀ ó kì í rí yí ẹ bá ń lọ síbẹ̀ ẹ bá ń tẹ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ láti ọwọ́ Àlàní Nightingale ẹkún ti mọ̀ mí tẹ́lẹ̀ pé mi kì í wo ìrà tí ò lọ́mọ nú ẹ fẹ́ràn orin eléyìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbádùn àbọ̀ látẹ̀yìn ẹ ṣeun gan yóò dáa.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé lóko àti ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi tó bá jẹ́ àárọ̀ lẹ́wà ẹ káàárọ̀ tó bá jọ̀sán lẹ́wà ẹ káàsán tó bá dé jáṣálẹ́ lẹ́wà ẹ káalẹ́ mo mú ìròyìn ayọ̀ kan wá fún yín ni o nípa BEMBEYEKE TV. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ máa bá mi wò ó. Ẹ wò ó ní òun lèmi náà máa ń wò ó. Ṣẹ́rí tí n bá ti ń wò ó, mo máa ń gbàgbé ìrònú. Mo tiẹ̀ máa ń gbàgbé pé bóyá mo jókòó ni tàbí bóyá mo sùn tàbí bóyá mo dúró. Tẹ́yin náà bá ti ń wò ó, ẹ máa rí ọgbọ́n kan tàbí méjì kan níbẹ̀. Ẹ máa ṣe kí ni? Ẹ máa tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀ kí ẹ dẹ̀ máa wò ó. God bless you. BEMBEYEKE TV. Ẹ ṣé gan.